welcome back to my kitchen. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a delicious tiramisu, classic Italian dessert, and of course, one of my favorites. But before we get into it, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to my channel so you get notifications every time I post a new recipe. And make sure you click that little bell icon. Let's do it! To make the meringue, add the egg white into a stand mixer and mix it for 2 minutes on medium speed. Add sugar little by little and switch the machine on high speed. Add vanilla and continue mixing for another 2 minutes. Add egg yolks and mix them for a few seconds. Sieve the flour and cornstarch together. Add it into the bowl and mix them with a spatula. Line your baking trays with parchment paper and spray them with oil. Divide the batter over the trays and spread it evenly. Bake them on preheated oven at 180 Celsius for about 10 minutes. To make the filling, add egg yolks in a food processor, run the machine on low speed for a few seconds, and then add sugar and vanilla. Whisk it until it becomes smooth and fluffy. After 10 minutes, take the sponge cakes out, dust them with powdered sugar and bake them for another 5 minutes, and then let them cool completely. Add mascarpone cheese when the egg yolks and sugar mixture are completely smooth and doubled in size. Whisk them until they are combined. Make some coffee in advance, let it cool completely, and then you can add 1 or 2 shots of Marsala in it. Cut out 3 circles for a 20 cm baking tin. This sponge cake is very supple, guys, so be very gentle with it. Use the rest of the cake for individual portions. To assemble the cake, place a cake foil inside the baking tin. Put a layer of a sponge on the bottom, soak it with coffee and Marsala mixture, add cream and repeat it until you used all the layers. Dust a generous amount of cocoa powder on top and put it in the fridge overnight. Do the same with the small portions.